friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. So my day started with morning walk. It's 5:30 and I am in park. After finishing walk, I came back, I had breakfast and then I started preparing my lunch. So today I'm going to share MP famous dal bafla. For that we need to soak mixed dal, 1 cup mixed dal for 2 hours. Let's prepare the dough for bafla. I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour, half cup of maize flour or makke ka atta, half cup of fine semolina. We'll add salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, half teaspoon of baking soda, 4 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds to give it a good texture and taste. Now prepare the dough, semi hard dough we'll prepare. Here dal is already cooked. Now we have to make baflas. So if you want to make bigger size, you can make. I'm preparing very small so that it will cook properly and they won't take much time. So this way we have to make all baflas. Our dal is already cooked. We have to make the tadka of dal. So if you want to make arhar ki dal with this, you can make, because most of the people make arhar ki dal with the bafla. So this way, now I have kept water in kadai for boiling. Let's give one boil and add all the baflas. Here we have to keep the flame high. Let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Till then, we will make suji dough for laddus. So I have taken 1 cup of suji, 4 tablespoons of ghee I have added and half cup of milk. Just we have to mix them properly, cover it and let it give rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see baflas are floating, it means they are well cooked. We'll take them out and let it cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then we will put them in tandoor. So meanwhile we'll prepare dal tadka. So I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Added whole spices. We'll mention here which whole spices I've used. Further we'll add curry leaves, tomatoes, chopped tomatoes and then all the basic spices which are mentioned here. So we have to use all these basic spices for dal. Now mix well, saute them until the oil start releasing. We have to mash the tomatoes. Once you see oil is started releasing, then we have to add dal, add more water and let it boil. Now here baflas are also ready to put in tandoor. So we have to preheat tandoor for 5 to 7 minutes and on low flame you have to keep all baflas. Let them cook for at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Sometimes it will take more time. So we have to cook baflas on low to medium flame. Now it's been 20 minutes. I've kept dal to boil. Now it's completely ready. We'll garnish them with coriander leaves. Baflas are also ready. So now what do you have to do? We have to put baflas into desi ghee. How to do it? I'll show you. See, take one bafla there. You can see the color of baflas. Both the sides I have roasted them. So they are completely cooked. Now take one kitchen towel or napkin. You have to just press them so that while putting into ghee will absorb inside. Now dough is also ready for laddu. Now we have to knead it again. But before that we need to add some saffron milk. So some strings I have infused in warm milk. Now I'm adding this milk and this suji dough. Now knead it again properly until whole milk will mix into the dough. Now you can see the color of the dough. Here we will get yellow color laddu, so we don't need to add any artificial color in this. Just knead it properly until you get the smooth texture of dough. Now this way we have to make muthias, or you can make round chapati also, small chapatis also. So I am making these type of muthias. So now we have to fry them in oil or ghee, whatever suitable for you, you can use. I am here using oil. So once oil is hot, we have to put muthias, fry them properly on low to medium flame. When you see the good texture color, we have to take them out from the oil. Let it cool for a few minutes. So this way we have to fry all mutiyas. Remaining baflas will add in ghee. So this way we have to keep all the baflas. So if you have not tried these baflas, do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. Now I have broken all the mutiyas into the big pieces. We'll add some cardamom. And we have to make fine powder out of it. Now here I'm using sugar powder. So half cup of sugar powder I'm adding. If you want more sweetness, you can add more, or if you want lesser, so you have to decrease the amount of the sugar powder. So here I'm adding grated nutmeg, some saffron milk. So if you have nutmeg, you have to add it because it will give good flavor, good aroma to laddus. Now mix it well. Now we have to take warm ghee and we'll add in this mixture. So in small amount we have to add ghee, mix well and prepare laddus. And if you think the mixture is dry, so you can add more ghee, 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee you can add further. Otherwise, if you will bind with the help of the hands, now you will see the laddus. So in this way we have to make all the laddus. Now you can see, and these laddus can be stored for at least 15 to 20 days. You don't need to keep in fridge. Outside you can keep for 15 days, and if you still have the laddus, then you can put in the fridge. Now our thali is ready. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you would like to see more videos, let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching and being here till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I will be sharing you more good recipes that will be very beneficial for you. You can make different type of recipes. So stay tuned for more videos. Stay happy. Bye bye.